Okay, good morning, Professor. Today I'll walk you through the five biggest challenges Tesla faces in deploying the AI-powered real-time monitoring system at its Gigafactory. And I will also explain the solutions that make the system reliable, scalable, and future-ready. So let's start with the project background. Tesla's Gigafactory rely on massive automation. Our goal is to integrate AI, computer vision, and Internet of Things to detect defects, predict maintenance, and give managers complete operational visibility. But even the most advanced system faces real challenges. Understanding these challenges is essential to delivering a system that works at a global scale. Okay, so let's first start with challenge one, which is the data quality issue. One of the biggest challenges is inconsistent data. Sensors have different formats, sampling rates, and accuracy level. When data isn't aligned, AI predictions fail, meaning missed defects or false alarms. In order to fix this, we standardize everything, audit and harmonize all sensors data, validate data at the edge before it enters the system, build a unified data pipeline, and train models incrementally with drift detections. So clean data is the foundation of trustworthy AI. Now let's move on to the challenge two, which is the automation risk. So factories are dynamic. Conditions change minute by minute. Full automation sounds perfect, but over automation actually reduces flexibility. If an automation line fails, everything stops. So the solution is balanced automation, modular workflows so one failure doesn't bring down the entire system, human in the loop controls for edge cases, and digital twin simulations to test workflows before deployment. Automation should empower people, not replace their judgment. Okay, so now let's move on to the third challenge, which is cybersecurity and governance. With AI, Internet of Things, and high resolution cameras everywhere to monitor the factory, cybersecurity becomes mission critical. Weak endpoints, unsecured access, and unclear governance create risk, including data breaches and operational shutdowns. So, our approach to this problem is by making a secure by design aligned with ISO 27001, encryption and zero trust access, privacy protected video data using anonymization, continuous penetration testing, and clear governance regarding who owns the data, who uses it, and how long it is stored. The security is an optional, it's a foundation for these factories. So now let's move on to challenge four, workforce readiness and human AI collaboration. AI changed jobs. Operation shifts from hand-on machine work to monitoring AI predictions, and not everyone is ready for that. This creates resistance, skill gaps, and distrust, especially when AI feels like a black box. So in order to solve this through retraining programs, involving employees early in system design, explainable AI that shows why decisions are made, and gradual rollout through pilot phases. So when people understand the system, they trust it, and when they trust it, they use it. That's why it's very crucial to implement this. And now let's move on to the last challenge, which is challenge five. It's the cost, ROI, and scalability. Highest quality camera, edge device, analytical platforms, these aren't cheap. Companies often underestimate integrations cost and overestimate early ROI. So the solution is to start with a minimum viable product, focusing on the highest impact defects. Run a full cost benefit analysis, including maintenance and data costs. Use ROI dashboard to track value in real time and build scalability architecture so future upgrades don't require building the system. Start small, prove value, scale confidently. Now, let's safely conclude that deploying an AI monitoring system is not just a technical challenge, it's a socio-technical transformation. Success depends on reliable data, balanced automation, strong security, empowered employees, and disciplined cost management. So if Tesla continues to address these five areas, the result will be monitoring system that is powerful, scalable, and trusted. A system that elevates performance across every gigafactory worldwide. Thank you.